You have a personality. I also have a personality. But would you agree that even a company or an organization has a personality? Hello, I am Dr. Colonel Atul Bhandari, and I strongly believe that a company also has a personality based on the cultures it follows. Now we all have seen, various types of cultures in a school or a bank or an office or a company or an organization where we have been. You find that right from the moment you enter the institution premises, the guard at the gate, is he sloppy or he's disinterested, or is he smartly dressed and he notes down the details and asks where you're going? It shows the culture of that organization. When you come up, is it quite convenient for you to park? Are there appropriate signages, or do you have to fend for yourself? This again reflects upon the culture of the person at the top of that institution and the culture of that organization. When you walk into the reception area, is the receptionist lady busy on her phone with maybe a friend, and you have to wait patiently while she finishes her conversation, and then she gives you a look as if you have acted very wrongly by making her interrupt her lovely conversation she was chit-chatting with someone? Or does she greet you with a smile and a sparkle in her eyes and says, "Yes sir, how can I help you?" And then when you meet the concerned person, do they keep you waiting indefinitely for maybe 45 minutes or an hour and show that they're very busy? Or within about 5 to 10 minutes they find time to meet you and say, "Yes sir, what is there I can do to help you?" Now all these show the culture of that company, of that organization, of that school, of that institution, of that bank, or wherever. Now what exactly is this culture? It is a set of shared beliefs, attitudes and values which the employees of the companies have in them, which has been set by the leader. And this is one of the most important things, to my mind, which a leader can do for his company, and that is to set the right culture. Now many people feel that the culture is something they can do away with, but it is not so. Research has repeatedly shown that companies which follow a good culture, where all the employees are on the same vision, on the same page and on the same path, and are polite, respectful and oriented towards the customers, these companies do much better in their revenue. They really go up in their profits. So that is the value. So to sum up, we must ensure that all our employees are on the same page. We have a positivity in the atmosphere. We have a frankness with each other where anyone can speak their mind out and share things. There could be a culture even in the decision making. For example, if something can be finalized within an hour or two, and somebody takes 10 days or 12 days or 15 days to give a decision on that, so again it reflects that the organization culture on decision making is very slow. I'm not suggesting that the results or the decisions have to be given immediately in a minute or 5 minutes. I'm suggesting that it should be given in an appropriate amount of time. So please realize the importance of having culture in your organization, because that is what will make the revenue go up.